Now, here we're looking at, let's take a listen now. Edappadi Palaniswamy there has spoken about how his government is pushing for ideology, and that's more important than in compared to an alliance with the BJP. Now, of course, Tamil Nadu Assembly polls is just around the corner. Now, let me quickly cut across to breaking information coming in. Meeting of this joint monitoring group over the emergence of mutated variant of the coronavirus in the UK, which has led to a surge in the infection rate there, begin in Nirman Bhavan through virtual conference. A number of European countries have banned flights now from the UK as the British government warned that the potent new strain of the virus was out of control and imposed stringent new stay-at-home lockdown from Sunday. Harshvardhan now reacting on this meeting. Let's take a listen.
मैं सिर्फ आपसे सबसे ये कहूँगा कि अभी ये सब इमेजिनरी सिचुएशंस, इमेजिनरी बातें, इमेजिनरी पैनिक, इन सब के अंदर आप अपने आप को मत उलझाइए। सरकार हर बात के लिए पूरी तरह से सजग है और जैसे पिछले एक साल में आपने देखा कि सरकार ने आवश्यकता के अनुरूप जनता के हितों की रक्षा करने के लिए जो जिस समय पर आवश्यकता किया, वो सारी चीज़ें सरकार देख रही है।
Milind Sharma joining us on the phone line for more. Milind, COVID committee that's huddled up to discuss the new variant of the virus that they've found in the United Kingdom. Now, India deciding what to do next, if at all, to ban flights from the UK or not. It's quite worrisome considering the cases in India also are only on the rise, even though it's largely controlled, but situation is to worry.
In fact, India is witnessing a steady decline of cases, and which is going to be worrisome for the country if an infection from outside the country would come in. And this is what the UK government has warned the WHO, saying that the strain that has been found there has been more infectious but has not been more deadly, which means that the infection is catching higher and faster but not resulting in severe cases of mortality. Now, the Union Ministry has created a joint monitoring group for such situations, which is holding a meeting at Vigyan Bhavan. Representatives of WHO are also present, and most likely it would be discussed whether or not the travel between India and UK should be curtailed at this point of time, and also the fact that this particular meeting will discuss the genome sequencing, or how we find out if there is a new strain or not that has come in from this particular virus. Right now, the Union Minister has said that it should not affect the vaccine trials that are going on across the world or in the country. Also, because the new strain is not something to ponder about or create panic on. But the meeting is currently going on in Nirman Bhavan, as I said.
Right, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.